Hey everyone, excuse me for interrupting your before lunch meditation session, but this video is dedicated to happy and peaceful, open-minded Jira Atlassian Cloud Solution users. So basically, Jira is a wonderful thing and it's very powerful, but in some cases it does miss some crucial or let's say useful tweaks that can be sometimes amended by the apps or just a little bit of magic. So today we'll talk about missing thing in the shortcuts section. So Jira on the project sidebar does allow to create custom shortcuts, and you can create basically any link. But what happened is that it actually expects you for this shortcut to have a specific construction. So it does supposed to be a valid URL with the HTTP and so on. So for example, if you would like to create a link that is for Slack channel, so like you want someone to jump directly to this specific Slack channel of that project, and this Slack channel to be opened on a desktop app installed on this specific computer, that would not be possible. So let's take a look, and let's say I will put it here, and it would not allow me to add it. So to get through this, I was created a vanilla JavaScript simple HTML page that fetching the information from the URL itself and then redirect you to that specific Slack channel. Let's see how it works. So what I'm doing here, I'm hosting this snippet on our own website. So you can use any Netlify or any sort of web hosting that hosts generic normal HTML pages. And this is basically takes the parameters in the URL and then make a redirect based on a specific type of the link that we expect to receive at the end of the day. So let's take a look how that will work. As you can see, I created a link. I added it to the dashboard already, so you can basically see how that is React. So when I'm clicking, it then prompts me with the information by the browser to open a Slack. And Slack is actually opened on my second screen, and you can test it by yourself for your own parameters. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.